very competitive one. Even the basics one is very special to the rural market. Be it the Splendor, be it the TV's Radar. Each and every one of them has been received very well within the rural market. Now, when Hero and Honda were single brand, at that time only Splendor was a 100cc product. But after the breakup, Honda took its own sweet time to launch a 100cc motorcycle, but it's here. And they have used the Shine product name because Shine has been associated with Honda for a very long time. And the Shine product is very well known within the market for its bulletproof reliability as well as fuel efficient engine. So, this is me Tirth from Alpha Petrolhead, and this is the review of Shine 100. The Shine brand name has always been associated with India. Indians have loved the Shine brand with the Shine 125. 100cc segment is majorly targeted towards the rural India. Rural India wants reliability, low service cost, easy availability of spares, good warranty support, and high efficiency along with bulletproof reliability.
The 100cc engine delivers adequate power and torque, ensuring a smooth ride on both city streets as well as the highways. The bike's acceleration is smooth and it offers good top end performance, although we would have appreciated a fifth gear to make things smooth. In terms of comfort, the Honda Shine 100 shines, pun intended, with its ergonomic design and well padded seat. The riding posture is comfortable, allowing for long rides, which is a non negotiable for our rural driving conditions. The suspension system effectively absorbs bumps and undulations, providing a smooth and stable ride even on uneven surfaces. Shine 100's maneuverability is noteworthy, allowing for a nimble navigation through traffic whether you are commuting or taking it for a weekend spin. The Honda Shine ensures an enjoyable and safe riding experience with its braking performance. Being equipped with drum brakes, it offers adequate stopping power, although we feel it would have done with more amount of brake to the pedal, but it does the job effectively.
At the risk of sounding arrogant, Shine 100 is the Maya Sarabhai of the down market Monishas city. Why I say this? Because the Shine 100 has few feel good factors that differentiate it from the other motorcycles in the segment, like these black alloy wheels that look very good on the bike. These mirrors, they are appealing and are a bit modern other than the contemporary ones. And look at these graphics which flow through the bike and they remind you of their elder sibling Shine 125. And not to mention 6 color options that do look good. Even the engine, if you look, is in pure colors, aluminium and matte black finish. The turn indicators also look stylish and modern compared to the other motorcycles in the segment with those rectangular looking turn indicators. The customers of this particular segment are very happy with just the basic things, and Honda has got almost all those basics perfectly right. So, will this motorcycle appeal to the market? Well, that is something that the time will tell, but yes, at 64,900 rupees ex showroom, this is indeed a very capable motorcycle and will surely take the market by surprise. So that's me there from Alpha Petrolhead signing off. If you like this video, do hit the like button, share it with your friends, comment your views and subscribe to the channel. Till then, drive safe, ride safe.